Prime Minister declares government has planned to cushion impact of high cost of living. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live both on air and also online at onespotmedia.com. I am Javon Keys. A very special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Also this evening, body of man who was washed away in river in Castleton, St. Mary found and raised against the clock for stability in Haiti. There's also Saturday Sports Special and weather in this newscast, so please stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after the break.